Welcome to Reading English Aloud. Let's learn about something new. What's this? This is the best pickup place. So, do you want to meet someone cute? One place you can meet someone is at the laundromat. The laundromat is a place where you go and do your laundry because you don't have a washing machine in your flat or apartment building, or you don't have a dryer in your flat or apartment building. In Canada and the USA, when we live in an apartment building, we don't have a lot of space in our homes, so we either have a special room in the building where everyone goes, all the people living in the building go to do their laundry, or you take all your laundry outside to a place called a laundromat. Now, laundromats are famous for being pickup places, a place where you can go to meet someone you're interested in or someone you can date. So I'm going to read some information about laundromats, and I want you to answer the following questions. So remember, this is a very good way to improve your listening skills. So the questions are, why are laundromats a good place for singles? How can you start a conversation with a sexy stranger in a laundromat? What happens if you don't like the person who is hitting on you? Hitting on you means that person is trying to ask you out on a date. So hit on you, ask you for a date. Just listen for these. These are expressions that we use. A pickup place, somewhere you can meet someone for dating. For example, a bar. But we also say in North American culture, the laundromat is an excellent place to meet someone. Break the ice, that means to start talking to someone. And hit it off. When you hit it off with someone, it means you really like that person and you like talking to each other. All right. Let's listen. Relationship experts believe that people who are lonely should go to their apartment building's laundry room or the nearest laundromat and see who they can find. Laundromats are famous as pickup places for single, and there are many reasons for this. For women, a man doing his laundry shows he has a serious commitment to cleanliness. You can see what kind of wardrobe that person has. Is it fashionable? Do you like his or her clothing? What is the person doing while waiting? Reading a book, surfing the internet, chatting with a stranger? That can tell you something about the person's personality. How can you start a conversation if you see someone you like or someone who looks interesting? Talk about the book they are reading, ask to borrow some washing soap. You can say, do you know the Wi-Fi password? How does the dryer work? Anything to break the ice. Don't take your iPhone or your computer with you. Bring a book because then you'll have something to talk about. If you hit it off, you can go for drinks when the washing is done. If the person is boring, you can just say, oh, my washing is done. See ya, and leave. All right, let's look at the answers to the questions. Why are laundromats a good place for singles? You can watch people and see the things they like. For example, are they reading a book and you like reading? Or you can see the style of their clothing. That's just a couple of examples from the reading. How can you start a conversation with a sexy stranger in a laundromat? You can ask them questions about how to use the washing machines or dryers. You can ask them about the book they're reading. There are many, many different ways to break the ice. 3, what happens if you don't like the person who is hitting on you? You can tell that person your laundry is done, so you must leave. All right, so these are laundromats. Thank you for reading English aloud with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.